Pizza time, doing a little plain pie variation today in the Ooni Koda 16. I got it cranked up just to like on its lowest setting because I'm doing kind of a sauce top plain pie. That means I'm gonna hit it on with the cheese first. This is actually Havarti, a little change up from the Mott's. I put it into, I quartered them up because these dough balls are about 290 grams. I can only stretch them so big. So I don't want to do the big fatty cheese slices because if they sit on the dough cold, sometimes the dough won't bake all the way through. Nobody likes raw dough. Gonna get this stuff on here quickly, and then I'm gonna hit it with the sauce top. And how I do that, I mean, my tomato sauce is just the OG tomatoes. Always get the firemost. I love the Bianco di Napoli's. But whatever you like, use it. Just a little salt, blend it up. Gonna get this on here. I like to go not too much, and you just kind of, you can get artistic on this. It's like, this is kind of, wild style, if you know that. But get it on here, and then all I'm gonna do to season this one is a little bit of oregano on top. Marge Simpson thinks that's a fancy spice, but if you're at the pizzeria kind of shaking it, sometimes it's more of like a poverty spice vibe. I don't know, I love some oregano on a pie. It brings that like super pizzeria flavor. I don't know, that looks pretty good to me. Not too much sauce, kind of splatter around. Let's not make a mess. Fire this thing, get it off the marble. The oregano, load it up. All right, move quickly here so this thing doesn't stick. Let me get it on the peel and into the oven. Nothing riding along. Get it on the peel, try and like overstretch this one a little bit. Make it kind of as big as this. This is a 14-inch peel, so that's as big as I can do. Get it in the oven. All right. All right, got it off the peel. Let's see how it goes. It's looking pretty good. Just kind of working it with the little turns. I'm just using, this is all I got right now. I don't have one of those fancy turning peels, so just using one of the little perf peels. This is one of the 12-inch Ooni ones. Give this thing a little turn, make sure everything all bakes up nice. If you get the move down, you can kind of work it like a legit turning peel. My skills today maybe not that good. It's baking up pretty nice. Give this thing a little longer, going a longer bake on this one. I got the temp down. Want this thing crispy for the sauce top. All right, oh, got a massive bubble. All right, you can stop. This thing's looking pretty good. We're gonna pull it out. The sauce topper. Could have used some more sauce there, a little bubble, but overall looking pretty good. Oh, don't goop it and slide it all the way off your rack. Let it chill for a little second so that crust can set. We don't want a goopy pie. Gonna let it chill, give this thing a taste. It's looking pretty good. Headies for sure on the sauce topper. Maybe a little dark in some spots with the bubble too, man. You can't always get it perfect. I would have put a little more sauce there to keep a little weight down. Like I was saying, going light on the sauce, but not too light. Maybe a little too light. Looks headies though. I'm into it. That little spotting the sauce up. I don't usually do it that way. It's fun to change it up with the Havarti on there. Let's give this thing a taste. I'm sorry, peeps. I forgot to time it again. I need to get my timer out here to let you know how long these things bake. I did a little longer on this one. Kept the temp down. Picking this thing up. Oh, it looks pretty good. Could have been a little crispier, but foldable slice. Looks pretty good at the sauce top. Oh, wow. Yeah, with the oregano on there. I mean, this is like your classic pizza shop flavor vibes going on here. More of that classic slice joint, New York style, or whatever you want to call it. With, of course, a little leopardine just for fun in the mix. Dough tastes really good. Cheese good. Got that Havarti on there. Hope everybody's eating lots of pizza, staying healthy, spreading the pizza love. Gonna polish this thing off. One love.